This is the OnePlus 10T 5G smartphone, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, if we'll go to the settings and launch and enter the display category, display and brightness, and expand the available options for the auto screen off function, we'll be able to clearly see that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is 30 minutes. Thus, if you would like to set this value to be never, we will need to use the help of a free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So let's launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, you gotta type in Caffeine, just like so. Once the needed app is found, open its respective app page and then click or tap on this green install button. And now we'll simply wait until the Caffeine app gets downloaded and installed. After that, all that it's left to do is to directly launch the Caffeine app. Make sure that the timeout feature or function has the infinite value set. And as long as you'll keep the Caffeine app running in the background, as long as it remains active in the list of recent apps, your screen will not go to sleep automatically, will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.